Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change team name on FPL app and website. So let's get right into it. Now first we will go with the app, and here in this window we have to go on fantasy that you can see at the bottom of the screen. Now you have to scroll down and hit on help and rules. So once you reach to this page, here you will see managing your team. Here you will find the option, how do I change my team name? Just simply you have to hit on it and you will see team details page. Just simply you have to hit on this page. Now you have to sign in and then you can change your team name. Now we will go with the website. So this is the my Chrome browser, and here I have signed in on my Fantasy Premier League account. So I will go with this more option. We have to hit on it and then we have to go on help. And here you will find same as the app in managing your team. Now you have to hit on how do I change my team name and go with this page. So guys, you can easily change your team name by follow these simple steps. This is how to change team name on Fantasy Premier League app and website. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.